Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to start lesson number 12, time and calendar. So we are knowing that this is a clock. So first we will see the introduction about clock. The face of a clock is divided into 12 equal division. How many equal division is there in the clock? 12 equal division. Okay, you can see numbers starting from 1 to 12. Labeled as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. The space between any two digits is further divided into 5 equal parts. Okay, so here we can able to see that between any two digit between 2 and 3. So how many equal divisions are there? There are 5 divisions. Okay, so in same way in all numbers between two numbers there are 5 equal parts. Each small division is called a minute. So that each division is called minute. And the face of the clock has 60 small divisions. Okay, so total how many that small divisions are there? 60 small divisions. So now we will see the hands of the clock. The clock has two hands, a longer end and a shorter end. The longer end is called a minute end. So this one is the longer end, so it is called a minute end. The shorter end is called hour end. This one is the shorter end, it is called hour end. The time the minute end takes to move from one small division to the next division is called a minute. Okay, so longer end it will move from 1 minute to one small division to other next division, so it is called a minute. The time hour end takes to move from one number to next number is called 1 hour. So this smaller hand means hour and it will move from one number to next number. So it is known as a hour hand, 1 hour. So from this we will come to know one day equal to how many hours? 24 hours. Then 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Then 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. A day begins at 12 midnight and ends at 12 midnight on the following day. Okay, it will start at midnight 12 o'clock and it will end at the same midnight, means next midnight 12 o'clock on the following day. The time between 12 midnight and 12 noon is denoted by AM. Okay, between 12 midnight to 12 noon next day morning, so it is denoted by AM. And the time between 12 noon and 12 midnight is denoted by PM. So after noon 12 o'clock to 12 midnight is denoted by PM. Okay, so we will write PM in time. So what is the full form of AM? AM means anti-meridium. AM means anti-meridium. And PM means post-meridium. PM means what? Post-meridium. So, thus 3 a.m. refers to 3 o'clock early morning. Okay, how we will come to know that it is early morning because of a.m. Here a.m. written 3 a.m. means it is 3 o'clock in early morning. Then 7 p.m. So here p.m. is there, it will refers means 12 noon to 12 midnight. So we will write p.m. So 7 o'clock at night. Now we will come to 24-hour clock. Now what is 24-hour clock? Normally we use the 12 hours clock to measure time. However, airlines, railways, hospital, the TV network, shipping lines and defense services throughout the world use the 24-hour clocks. Okay, so normally in our house we will use 12-hour clock only. Okay, but in some places like airlines, railways, hospitals, TV network, shipping lines and defense services, they will use 24-hour clocks. Which clock they will use? 24 hours clock. In this system, 4 digits are used to indicate the time. In 24-hour clock, they will use the 4 digits. The first 2 digits shows the hours and the last 2 digits shows the minutes. The day starts at 12 midnight. Okay, the new day will start at 12 midnight and it's written as what we will write 00, this 2 dot, then 00 hours. Okay, the following table gives the 12-hour clock time and its corresponding 24-hour clock time. So this is a 12-hour clock time and this is 24-hour clock time. So 12 midnight, so we will write 0000 hours. Then 3 a.m. means early in the morning 3 a.m. So we will write 3, then dot, then 00 hours. This 3 indicates the hour and 0 indicates the minutes. So means 3 hours. Then 11:45 a.m. So we will write AM means it is morning. Okay, so 11:45 hours. Then 2:30 p.m. So here noon 12 o'clock after we will write the p.m. So 12 o'clock after 12 after what we will write 1. So 1 we will count as 13. Then here which there, how much time there? 2:30. So 2 we will count as 14. So 14:30 hours. So 14 hours and 30 minutes. Then 6:20 p.m. So same way we have to count. For 3 we will write 15. For 4 we will write 16. Then for 5 we will write 17 and for 6 we will write 18. So 18 hours 20 minutes. Okay, so 18:20 hours in 24 hours clock. Then next is 10:30 p.m. So same way for 6 we will write 18. Then for 7 we will write 19. Then for 8 20. For 9 21. For 10 we will write 22. So 22 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, in 24-hour clock. In same way 11:55 we will write. For 10 we have written 22. For 11 we will write 23:55 hours. While writing time in 24 hours clock, we observe the following rules. So here some rules are there for writing 24 hours clock. 4 digits are used to write the time. Number 2, the first 2 digits on the left are for the hours. Then put 2 dot sign and the next 2 digits are for minutes. See for example 11 dot 2 dots then 45 hours means this 11 indicates it is in the left side, it will indicate the hours, and the 45 it's in the right side, it will indicate the minutes. So 11 hour 45 minutes. Now next topic is conversion of 24-hour clock time to 12-hour clock time. So here some rules are there for converting 24-hour clock time to 12-hour clock time. So first one is, if the number formed by the first 2 digits from the left of a 24-hour clock time is less than 12, means in 24-hour clock there are 4 digits. Okay, before the point means left hand side the number is less than 12, then it denotes the time before noon and am is to be used with it. So we will use the am means it is a morning time. So for example 9:50 hours. So before the point left hand side 9 is there, so 9 is less than 12. So we will denote it as a morning time, so we will use am. So 9:50 am. Then number 2, if the number formed by the first 2 digits from the left of 24-hour clock time is more than 12, the difference between the number and 12 gives the number of hour after 12 noon, and so pm is to be used with it. Okay, so if the left hand side digit is more than 12, so what we will do, we will make subtract that number from 12. So what it will give, that is known as the after noon time. Okay, so we will use pm. Now see for example 22 dot 45 hours means 22 hours 45 minutes. So 22 is more than 12, so we will subtract 22 minus 12, so we will get 10. Okay, so 10:45 p.m. Okay, if more than is there, then we will use p.m. means it is after 12 afternoon time. Okay, so we will write 10:45 p.m. So it is a night 10:45 p.m. Now number 3. However, if the number formed by the first two digit is 12, it shows that time is afternoon and pm is to be used with it. If 12 is there, it shows that time is afternoon and pm is to be used with it. If night noon is there, then we will write 0, 0. It is the starting of the day. So if 12 is there in the digit, so we will write pm. Now our next topic is clock with 3 hands. In some clocks and watches, apart from the hour hand and the minute hand, there is a third hand called second hand. Okay, so till now we have seen two hands in clock, that is hour hand and minute hand. Now third hand is second hand. The second hand makes a full round in 1 minute. Okay, so in 1 minute the second hand will make a full round, and the time taken between two successive small division is called 1 second. So 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. 24 hours equal to 1 day. And 365 days equal to 1 year. So now we will see about the calendar. There are 7 days in a week. There are 12 months in a year. So first we will see the days of the week, that is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And there are 12 months in a year. They are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. The number of days in various months are as follows. So in January there are 31 days, in February 28 days or 29 days. If leap year is there, then 29 days, otherwise in ordinary year 28 days. Then in March 31 days, then April 30 days, then May 31 days, June 30 days, July 31 days, August 31 days, September 30 days, October 31 days, November 30 days, December 31 days. So how we will come to know that in January 31 days will come, March 31 days, April 30 days. We will count this with help of our knuckles. Okay, in ants knuckles we can count with help of this. So this top part is there, that we will consider as the 31, and this down part we will consider as the 30. So first month is January, so it will start with 31. Then second is February, so February is having 28 or 29 days. Okay, then it will come in down. Then next up part we will consider third month, that is March, that is 31st. Then down April, that is 30. Then upper part, that is May next month, that is 31 days, in May 31 days. Then lower part, that is after May June, that is 30 days. Then upper part next month is July, that is 31 days. Now we will count in our next knuckle in hand. So we will start with the upper part, that is August 31 days. Then down part after August September, that is 30 days. Then upper part after September, that is October, that is 31 days. Then down, that is November 30 days. Then upper part December 31 days. Okay, this way we have to count days. There are 365 days in a year. How many days are there? 365 days. A year with 366 days is called a leap year. If the year is having 366 days, then it is considered as a leap year. In a leap year, February has a 29 days. Okay. A year is a leap year if it is divisible by 4. If the year is divisible by 4, that in remainder we will get 0, means the year is a leap year. When we will divide that year by 4, that remainder we will get as a 0, then the year is called a leap year. To find out the number of weeks in a year, we divide it by 7. If we find out how many weeks are there in one year, so what we will do? We will divide it by 7. Total days divided by 7. So in ordinary year, the total days are 365. That we will divide by 7. Then we will get total weeks. So we will divide. So 365 divided by 7. First we will take the 2 digit in 7 table. When 36 will come, it will not come. So we will take a smaller number. 7 5 is 35. So we will get 1 as a remainder, and this 5 we will carry down, that it will become a 15. So in 7 table 15 will not come. So we will take a 7 to the 14. So 15 minus 14 we will get 1. So we got quotient as a 52. So we get 52 weeks and 1 day, 1 as a remainder. So 1 day. Thus there are 52 weeks in a year. In ordinary year there are 52 weeks in a year. A leap year has 366 days, because in February there are 29 days, so 1 day is more, so it will become 366 days. To find out number of weeks in a leap year, we divide 7. Again we will divide by 7 total number of days. So same way, 366 divided by 7. So 7 5s are 35. So 1 we will get as a remainder. So 6 we will carry it down. So 7 2s are 14. So we will get 2 as a remainder. So in leap year has 52 weeks and 2 days. Now conversion of year into months, weeks into days, and days into weeks and months. So first one is conversion of years into months. From years to months, what we will do? To convert year into months, we multiply the number of years by 12. What we will do? We will multiply the number of years by 12. Then number 2, conversion of week into days. To convert week into days, we multiply the number of weeks by 7. We will multiply the number of weeks by 7. Now number 3, conversion of days into weeks and month. We divide number of days by 30 to convert days into months, and divide by 7 to convert them into weeks. Thank you.